What's up everybody, welcome back to NYC Motor Life again. In today's video we're gonna do a small job to this 2018 Toyota Camry, and in this job we're changing the engine air filter, and these are the parts numbers. I bought it from Toyota original. The reason I'm gonna do this video and show it to guys, I went to the couple of times to the mechanic shop, man. Honestly, the more confident the mechanic is, more I hated the way they touch your car. So let's do it. I'm gonna show you why I'm changing it myself. So let's pop the hood. So the reason I'm doing this video, guys, every time when I go to the mechanics, they open this and this clip and that's it, and they slide it and try to squeeze this, and you see this airflow sensor wire is around the box. They took out the filter and they squeeze it inside, which is I really engaged it. First, they can damage your cable. Second, when they're putting the filter inside, they bend it, and this is not the proper way to do it. I hate that, man. How long is it gonna take you to take this thing out and this thing out? Look how much room you have now. I mean, you can sit inside literally. So I'm gonna take this filter out, which is kind of really dirty. And the second thing you should do, if you have any access to the air, you should blow it inside. You can see the this way anything is inside can be out. So now we're gonna put the original air filter inside. Much better looking. See, it sits perfectly, so you don't have to fight with it. Just remove these two tabs. Focus in the back over there. So guys, these two hooks, slide it in and make sure air filter box sit perfectly, and lock this tab, lock this one, click this one on, and that's it. How long it took it? 2 minutes. It's less than a minute if I'm not recording the video. The reason to explain, please, even there is any mechanic watching my video, remove these tabs. They are here for the reason. So guys, if you like my video, please hit a like, and always don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video.